Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to find your friends list on Facebook using a PC with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down. Once you're in this section, click on Activity Log. The Activity Log is where you can manage and view various activities related to your Facebook account. Now, in the left-hand menu under the Connections section, click on Friends. This option will display all your friend-related activities and information. Finally, select your friends to access the complete list of people you're connected with on Facebook. Here, you can see all your friends in one place and manage them as needed. And that's it. You've successfully located your friends list on Facebook using a PC. It's a straightforward process that helps you stay connected and organized within your social network. Thanks for following along.